can walk around. You can go play.
Where's my phone? My phone? There's a bar way over there. I'm about to go.
It ain't high enough.
Huh?
It don't seem high enough.
Seem high enough? It's too high. I'm too lazy to climb up on this.
Oh, you're talking about the spin thing?
Yeah.
You gotta have your upper body.
I can't do it right now. I can't do it right now.
I just ate, but I'm stressed. Well, if I do it, oh well.
We'll have it on tape.
Hold on. I got it. Hold on.
I'm gonna do it more times than you, though. I'm gonna do it more times than you. I'm gonna do it way more times than you. It's a wrap. I feel dizzy now. Oh God, my head. How many times did I do it?
10.
Give up!
Pick up your iPod, Darcy. Pick up your
What is that?
That's your iPod. Cassine sat it down.
I did it more times than you. I could do it more.
You did it like 10. He did it like 13.
3 more! Wow! I wish you had a football. Well, my finger again.
That hurts right here.
My head hurt.
Cause you didn't have a good start off, like your spin.
Yeah, you strained to make yourself go around. That's why. To
Not that
start off
hard.
going around. No, but for his start off, he strained himself in the beginning to start off.
No, I just tried to get a good swing on it before I kept going. It wasn't extreme. That's not just gross. It's all rusty. It's crap.
They need to oil it.
Yeah, they do. Yo, this sucks. I can't do it anymore. Stand on there and just do a cartwheel.
Why don't you just climb up the ladder over there? Why don't you just climb up the ladder over there, Cassine, to get up there?
It's not gonna work.
Yes, it is.
Ow.
Spin burn.
Yeah.
Look at my turn red. You hurt. My belt, though.